Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell down below so that you'll never miss another upload. But I'm going to go ahead and talk briefly about some of the products that I am currently using on my transitioning hair that I do love and enjoy. I am trying to keep my regimen very simple. I have been trying out a few products, like some new deep conditioners and some new leave-ins, so let's get started. First, I'm going to talk about the shampoos that I currently do use. And the first one is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It's the Strengthen and Restore Shampoo, and it does have shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. And I really do love this one. This is a great sulfate-free clarifying shampoo, and I do wash my hair the same as I did when I was relaxing my hair, which is every 2 weeks, so twice a month. And I really do love this one because it really cleans my hair very well, removes all the buildup without stripping my hair. So that's what I really do love about this one. And yeah, I pretty much use this every single wash day, just because washing your hair every 2 weeks, you're gonna have like that buildup and stuff. And I do use like a lot of leave-in in my hair to make sure that it's well moisturized as well as oil. So I do like to use this every time I wash. And another staple, an oldie but a goodie that I do continue to use in my regimen, it's going to be the raw Shea Butter. It's the moisture retention shampoo with sea kelp and argan oil, and it's also by Shea Moisture. And I do like to also use the shampoo that I talked about previously and then follow up with this. So I do a shampoo with this. I'll shampoo twice with this, and then I will go in for a third shampoo just to add the moisture back into my hair, because I do feel like this one doesn't completely strip it, but I do feel like it's not as moisturized. So I do like to go in with this and do a third shampoo once with this, just because it adds the moisture back into my hair, which I really love. And it has a lot of slip and it's awesome. I've been using this on my relaxed hair, transitioning hair, and I will continue to use it forever because I love this stuff. So once I go in and clarify and then go in and use my moisture retention shampoo, I do like to follow up with a rinse out conditioner. And the one that I've been pretty much using every single wash day is the Aussie Moist Conditioner. And I will just use this. I will go in once with this, leave it on my hair for about, I'd say between 2 to 5 minutes while I'm taking my shower and doing other things in the shower. So I'll go in with this, leave this on my hair for a few minutes, and then rinse it out. And this is really good. I really love this. I did pick it up from Walmart. It only cost a few dollars, and this thing is so huge. It says up to 100, I guess, conditions with this because it's so big. I really love this. This will be like forever a staple in my regimen because this stuff is so good. Like, everybody raves about it on YouTube, and I see why. I did talk about this in my relaxed hair care haul that I did a while ago, and this stuff is the real deal. So if you haven't tried this, go ahead and pick this up because I love this stuff. So on the days that I want to add a little bit of protein into my regimen, I don't always do like protein treatments every wash day. I know a lot of people who are transitioning will always add protein in their hair regimen every single wash day, but I don't always do that. I might do it like once a month or something like that, but not every wash day. When I do want to do a light protein treatment, something that's worked for me since I've been relaxing my hair and now that I'm transitioning, it's going to be the Aphogee Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor. This is forever going to be a staple. It works very well in my hair. It does provide moisture as well as the protein, so it does strengthen the hair as well. And that's really good when you're transitioning, because you are dealing with 2 different textures and you want to keep everything strong so that your hair doesn't break off. So this is what I use when I do want to do a light protein treatment. So, you know, on the days where I use this, I don't use this, but yeah, I will instead use this as a light protein treatment. So 2 styling tools that I like to use when I am detangling are my wide tooth comb and also my Denman brush, because these two just really get all the tangles out of my hair. So I love using these. And then while I'm detangling, I do like to give my hair some slip. So some of the deep conditioners that I've been using have been the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Intensive Hydration Mask. This is an oldie but goodie that I have been using since I've been relaxed, now that I'm transitioning, and I will also use it when I am fully natural. This stuff is everything. Adds so much moisture to my hair, so much slip. This one's almost gone, but I do have a brand new one that is in my closet, so definitely keeping this on hand because it's everything. Love it. And then another one that I've been really liking, it's by actually the Main Choice. I've been liking some of the Main Choice's products, but this is by the Main Choice. It is their Heavenly Halo collection. It's the Herbal Hair Tonic and Soy Milk Deep Hydration Mask. This stuff is really good as well. It makes my hair really soft. It provides so much slip. It gets all the tangles out. I really love this one. And this one I am almost out of. As you can see, I've been using this like crazy. This is my second jar of this. It's a repurchase, and I really do enjoy this one as well. The only downside to this one is a little bit more expensive than the Shea Moisture, and you do get, this one is 12 ounces while this one is only 8 ounces, so you get less product but it costs more. That's what I kind of don't like. So I like the product, but I feel like they should give you a little bit more for the price point. So once I deep condition my hair, I will usually like put it in some plaits or something until it fully dries. And I do like to use a leave-in conditioner. So this one is a 3-in-1, which is really nice. It is a co-wash, a leave-in, and a detangler. And it says natural growth and retention solution. And it says gently rinses away impurities and product buildup, instantly hydrates and moisturizes, removes knots and tangles. This one's really good. I really like this one. I have not used it as a co-wash yet. I don't typically co-wash my hair, and I'm not really fond of co-washing. I might give it another try, but this is really good as a leave-in. I really like this a lot. This is going to probably be like my staple. And another thing that I like to use is some type of oil. This is just an example of what I like to use. This is organic jojoba oil. It's USDA organic. I got this from Vitamin Shop. It's pretty expensive for this little bottle, so I don't always use jojoba oil. Sometimes I'll use like a coconut oil or a grapeseed oil or something like that. But any type of oil to still in after you put your leave-in in your hair is really good as well. Oil, definitely love the oil. And if I don't want to use the jojoba oil, argan oil is another one that I really love to use, but I'm pretty much out of that one, so I gotta repurchase the argan oil. But that is pretty much my regimen. I try to keep it simple as possible. I have been trying out some new products. Pretty much my go-to hairstyles are like a bun, because it's just, you know, it's simple and it's easy. And I think this top knot bun's kind of like cute. The curls are kind of like falling a little bit, but it's cute. Like, it's different. Like, I haven't done a top knot bun in so long, but yeah, it's pretty much like that. Still got my edges going on. And I did recently put a rinse in my hair and it came out great. Like, all of my grays are covered. So I did a good job. By myself, I've been doing my hair by myself. Cut my hair, put my rinse in by myself. I'm doing good. I'm like doing everything myself, saving a whole bunch of money. So kudos to myself. Let me get myself a pat on the back for that one. Because I was going to the salon and getting a rinse and they were charging me like $45 for a rinse. It's like she would just pour the rinse on my head, sit me under the dryer for like 15 minutes and rinse it out. I'm like, what? I'm paying $45 for that. I could do that myself. So I started doing my rinses myself, and bam, looking good, looking good. So Thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, a like, share, comment, all that great stuff. And I will see you in the next one.